Morning guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert a WAV file to an MP3. So Audacity is the easiest way to do this. You start up the program, go to File, import your MP3, and then this works for any MP3, no matter how big it is, so it can be a song or even just a little clip. Right now I'm just going to use a little clip so it goes faster. Now you're just going to export the audio. And the format is as an MP3, or you can really export it as pretty much anything else. And that is how you convert a WAV file to an MP3 or any other audio file. Click subscribe and you'll be updated on the next helpful video I post.